You're welcome to online lectures with Farm Eternity, the schoolboy. Today, we'll take a look at physics. And our reference book for today is Prep 50 Physics, UTME Past Questions. And we'll take our questions from the topic Gravitational Field. The question we'll take from is we'll answer today is on the page 20 of this book, page 20, question number 2. Question number 3, and it's actually JAM past question, JAM 1998, question number 6. JAM 1998 physics, question number 6. And we'll write the question on the board and take it up from there. Okay, let's look at the question. The question says, the force of attraction between 2 point masses is 10 raised to the power minus 4 Newton, when the distance between them is 0.18 meter. If the distance is reduced to 0.06 meters, calculate the force. Option A says 1.1 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 Newton. B says 3.3 times 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. C says 3.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 4 Newton. And D says 9.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 4 Newton. JAM Physics 1998, question number 6. This talks about Newton's law of gravitational, Newton's law of universal gravitation. And the force is an inverse, the law is an inverse square law, because it talks about the force of attraction between two masses being directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the what? The distance, the square of the distance between the masses. So this is just a kind of what happens, what is the mass, the force, the strength, the force when the distance is reduced or when the distance is changed. How does it affect the force? Because the force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So whatever happens, when the distance is decreased, the force will do what? Increase. And when the distance is increased, the force will do what? Decrease. So let's now solve the question. This is just an overview. Solution. According to the Newton's law, force, the force in question is directly proportional to what? The masses, product of the masses over square of the distance between what? The masses. There is this proportionality here. For this sign of proportionality to be removed and equal sign to enter, then you must put a constant, which is gravitational constant. So F is now equal to what? G m1 m2 over what? R squared. So there's something here that we want to do here. This G is constant. Mass of a body is constant. The mass of the body doesn't change. What changes is only the weight. The mass is constant, but the mass is the quantity of matter, measure of quantity of matter in a substance. So the mass is constant. So that renders everything here constant. So we can remove this theoretical conclusion and introduce a constant. We can call it K, so that everything here is constant. So force is actually K over what? R squared. And K is equal to what? FR squared. Force times distance squared. So at any point in time, as you move from one state to another state, K1 is equal to what? K2, which is equal to what? K3, because it's constant. So in the case, that means if K1 is equal to K2 from one point to another point, K is constant, so it's same thing, it doesn't change. K1 is equal to K2, K3. So if that is the case, that means F1 R square 1 is equal to what? F2 R squared 2. That's the meaning. So we can use this now, this relationship now to solve this question. So from here now, F1 is what? F1 is what? 3 raised to the power 4 minus 4 Newton. R1 is what? 0.18 meter. F2 is what? That's what they're looking for. We don't know. R2 is what? Reduced to 0.06 meter. So let's continue from here. So now let us now make F2 the subject of the formula here. So F2 is now equal to what? F1 R1 squared over what? R2 squared. So F is now equal to what? F1 there is what? 10 times 10 raised to the power minus 4 Newton times R squared. R1 is what? 0.18. So that means R squared is set as saying R1 squared is set as saying R1 times R1. So let's do it that way, so you can easily cancel out. So you simply do 0.18 times 0.18 meter. 0.18 meter times 0.18 what? Meter. The same thing here, r square, r2 square is equal to saying r2 times r2. So r2 is all 0.06 meter. So you can simply say 0.06 meter times 0.06 meter. 0.06 meter times 0.06 meter. So let's go. Of course, meter will cancel meter. Meter will cancel meter. So what is left? Let's move this to exponential form or scientific form or standard form. So we can easily cancel out. So it's now saying 3 raised to power minus 4 Newton times this decimal point will move from here to here. You become 1.8 times 6 power minus 1. If you move from here to here, you become 18 times 6 power minus 2. So this is now saying 18 times 6 power minus 2 times the same thing here. 18 times 3 power minus 2 all over. This one now, if the decimal point move from here to here, it becomes 0.6 times 3 power minus 1. If you move from here to here, it becomes 6 times 3 power minus 2. So this is now saying 6 times 3 power minus 2. The same thing here, times 6 times 3 power minus 2. So we have found something new now. So this will cancel this. This will cancel this. We are left with this. 6 will divide 8, or 18, 3. 6 will divide 18, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9. So we have 9 times 3 power minus 4. 9, you can leave it at 9.0, no problem. 9.0 times 3 power minus 4 Newton. So the force, F2, the force is 9.0 times 6 power minus 4 Newton. So if this is reduced, if the distance is reduced from 0.18 meter to 0.06 meter, the force will increase from 10 raised to power minus 4 Newton to 9 times 10 raised to power minus 4 Newton. So let's check the options. Option A says 1.1. No, it's correct. It's incorrect. It's wrong. B 3.3 is wrong. C, there's something about this. Be careful. If you mistakenly did not square this thing, if you mistakenly forget to square this thing, you will get this divided is 3. You get 3 times 6 power minus 4. So be careful. Be careful. If you mistakenly end up not squaring this thing, you get 3.0 times 6 power minus 4, and you think it's the answer, you go and tick it. So this is wrong. So the answer is what? D. So the answer to JAM Physics 1998 question number 6 is D. 9.0 times 3 power minus 4. 9.0 times 3 power minus 4. We've come to the end of this question for today from the gravitational field. Please, I want to give like 1 minute for questions. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. Please call these numbers. Any of these numbers, 081 38 68 2003 or 07012 94 5891. Any of these numbers, call any of these numbers and I will attend to you right now. The time begins, just 1 minute. So while we wait for questions, I want to make an announcement, 1 or 2 announcements anyway. Number 1 is that every Saturday, 7 a.m. to 7:10 a.m., I organize academic competition titled Academic Battle with From Eternity the School Board. The competition is online and is strictly free of charge. No, you're not paying anything for the registration. All you need to do is to click on the link and write the exam, register and write examination on Saturday. Every Saturday, we take one subject or one course from different fields, from arts, sciences, commercials, and the medical and pharmaceutical science courses. So if you're interested, you want to register, please chat me up on WhatsApp. Any of these numbers, I'll send you the registration link and other information you need. If you are interested in supporting this competition, because we don't collect money from students or participants, but we give prizes, we need help, we need support. So if you want to support financially towards encouraging our youth to pursue academic excellence, please, this is a send you the account details for support. Okay, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel, the name is From Eternity to School. After watching these lectures, please click on this red button right on below, subscribe. Once you click on it, you subscribe. You're not paying any money for the subscription. There's a button that looks like a bell by the side. Click that button. What it means is that if you click that button, anytime I am online, I'm live, you see notification and join the lectures. Or yeah, after, even if you're not online, anytime I upload lectures, either the one we did in live or the other one with pre-recorded lectures, you will be notified of the lectures, so you watch them. Please share this lecture with your family members, with your friends, with your colleagues, with your students and your children. They may be in need of these lectures. Please encourage them to subscribe too. God bless you as you support this mission. And God, in His infinite mercy, will keep supporting you in all your endeavors. See you next time at 4:30 a.m. We'll back live for the last section of today's lectures. The subject is mathematics, and the topic is matrices and determinants. So even if you are not able to join this live lectures, the video for this lecture now and the one we'll do by 4:30 a.m. will be in this channel. You can always watch them. See you then. God bless you.